Individually factory sealed. Remanufactured under strict standards. Please be aware that due to printer programming, the ink level for this particular cartridge might display empty on the printer, however the cartridge is full. 2-pack equals 2x HP98. Top review from the United States. They work well. I had difficult time getting into the machine, and got ink all over my hands. Once it was installed, it was smooth sailing, it worked. I was printing once again. I would recommend these ink cartridges as they do have staying power.